What's this? And now it's time to find out. Whoa! It's the brochure for the Nissan Sunny. Can you believe it? Here's the front cover of the Sunny Spray pamphlet, which, as you can see, it says Special Edition, and has a picture of my actual car on the front. Then on the inside it shows the 5-door in a really kind of crummy 90s picture, with the really badly photoshopped lady in dive gear in it, with just, it's just bad. But what I find really cool about this is the part that talks about why it's a special edition, with a metallic jade pearl paint and body colored trim, as well as having sporty good looks, which are guaranteed to turn heads, which I really don't think it does. What surprised me most was the part that this actually adds special fabric upholstery, which I didn't realize, and I thought it was the same as any other Sunny. And also like how it says you'll appreciate the electrically operated tilt/slide sunroof, despite everything else being manually operated. It even goes on to mention Bach and the Beach Boys, which is just kind of weird and funny. And of course, being a Nissan, it has to emphasize its safety features, such as side impact door bars, an energy-absorbing steering wheel, flame-retardant interior, height-adjustable head restraints, and child-proof rear door locks, which doesn't even apply to my car. But looking at this compared to modern safety features such as side airbags, collision detection warning, ABS, traction control, and a ton of other features we have in modern things, makes these safety features pretty much irrelevant, much like Logan Paul. I mean, I've seen his car videos and videos about his bus, and there's so much missed potential. Then on the back of the pamphlet, they have a bunch of specifications and features which a car comes with, as well as the exact color code for the paint, which will be really useful for getting it fixed and restored. But what I find really funny here, other than the performance of 0 to 60 of 12.8 seconds, it also has the fuel consumption of urban, constant speed at 75 miles per hour, which is only just above UK speed limits, and then a constant ideal speed of 56 miles per hour, which is when the car will be most economic, but they just decided to have it 56 miles per hour, not 60 or 55, but 56 specifically. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace! Special fabric upholstery.